In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Clawdbot on an Oracle Cloud VPS and keep it running 24/7. We'll start by setting up your Oracle Cloud account. Head to the Oracle Cloud website, sign up or log in, and add your payment information. This unlocks the free tier, and the setup we'll use stays within those limits if you choose an always free shape. Next, create a virtual server. In the Oracle Cloud console, go to Compute, then Instances, and click Create Instance. Give it a clear name like Clawdbot. For the operating system, select Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Choose an always free shape with 1 OCPU and 1 GB of RAM, or pick a larger shape if your bot needs more resources. Leave the network on the default VCN. Add an SSH key. Either paste your existing public key or generate a new one. Keep the private key safe. You'll use it to connect. Once the instance is running, connect to it. On macOS or Linux, open terminal and run SSH path to your private key Ubuntu at your instance public IP. On Windows, use PuTTY with a .ppk key. If you only have an open SSH key, convert it with PuTTYgen. Connect as the Ubuntu user to the instance's public IP. After you're in, update the system so everything is current. Run sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. Then install Node.js LTS using node source by running the setup script and installing Node.js. Verify it worked with Node.js and npm's v. Seeing versions confirms the install. Install git with sudo apt, install git.y, then pull your bot's code. Run git clone followed by your repository link and change into the project folder with cd Clawdbot. Install dependencies with npm install. Now add your Discord bot token. Open a config file with nano.env or nanoconfig.json and add Discord bot token your token here. Save with Ctrl+X, then Y and enter. Keep tokens private and never commit them to a public repo. Start the bot with node-index.js. If everything is correct, the bot should appear online in your Discord server. To keep it running 24/7, install PM2 globally with sudo npm. Install PM2e. Start the app with PM2. Start index.js. Name Clawdbot. Then run PM2 save and PM2 startup. PM2 will print a command, copy and paste it to enable auto start on reboot. Useful PM2 commands include PM2 list to view processes, PM2 logs Clawdbot to see live output, PM2 restart Clawdbot after updates, and PM2 stop Clawdbot to stop it. That's it. Your Clawdbot is now running on Oracle Cloud online around the clock with automatic